Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on iPhone. Let's start. So, taking a screenshot on iPhone is actually pretty easy. Gone are the days wherein it's so tedious for you to capture screenshots, but now you could simply do this by, pressing two buttons simultaneously. So for example, I would want to have a screenshot of my home screen. So if you press on the power button that's located at the upper right corner of your device, and then the volume up button, if you press on that two buttons simultaneously, you would be able to capture a screenshot just like this. And then it would give you like a thumbnail for you to just quickly access the screenshot. So you do have an option to edit here, or at the same time, if you would want to save it to your gallery, or if you save to your files or delete screenshot, you can also do that. There are also ways for you to do that without the button. Say for instance, just tapping, and then you could actually capture your screenshot. So what you need to do is go to settings, look for accessibility, and then look for touch. And then for touch, look for the option that says back tap. You can choose if you want double tap or triple tap. So in my case, I would want double tap. And then there's like an option here for you to choose if your double tap would be for screenshot. So in my case, yes. So I'm just gonna click on that one. Okay. So once I do that, if I go back to my home screen and if I do double tap, there it would capture the screenshot already. And the last part, which is my favorite, is if you're too lazy to do all of these things, you can just use Siri. So say I would take a screenshot. Hey Siri, take a screenshot. There you go. So I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.